Hi.
Hey. We love food. Our mission is to change the way people eat forever.
I'm team lead at the customer care at HelloFresh, which means I'm responsible for an awesome customer experience.
I work at HelloFresh as a customer care agent. This means that we are trying to help our customers.
I'm a team lead customer care.
It challenges you to give your best every day.
I love that there's little hierarchy at HelloFresh, but you also work with people from different levels on a daily basis and sometimes even internationally.
We as customer care are actually the voice of the company. Customer friendly,
Fun.
Challenging,
Data-driven.
and always trying to improve.
but mostly gezellig.
A nice working environment.
If you like working at a fast-moving company with a nice atmosphere and nice colleagues, HelloFresh is the place to be.
You can really make a difference.
You will meet amazing people from all over the world, and well, Amsterdam is an amazing city.